Welcome to this Scandinavian 925 flight. My name is Björn Lundström. This is my co-pilot Marius von Hanno, and we are going to fly the Airbus A340 to Washington. It's a beautiful machine. It has a Star Alliance livery, and it is a machine which can do the heavy work for SES. It flies 14 hours with a huge load. So this is going to be a very great flight. Remember that you have the most important work. You see the passengers for almost 9 hours on this flight. So what you do is very, very important. And you do as you usually do. We have very high customer satisfaction, and we are going to get it even better. Kilo Bravo Mike, Airbus A340-300.
Checked.
Copenhagen, 04 right runway. Wind 110 degrees, 3 knots.
Yes.
Temperature 17 degrees.
Yeah.
QNH 1019.
1019.
Afternoon, Scandinavian 925 Heavy Stand, Charlie 28, Foxtrot, ATC clearance for Washington, Dulles.
Scandinavian 925, hello, Washington, Mixi 1 Charlie, departure score 0460.
On the ground. It's about teamwork.
Scandinavian 925, behind the departing Air Canada Boeing, line up 1 way 2 to right and wait behind.
Takeoff. Timing start.
Man flex SRS.
Trust to set.
Checked.
V1.
Rotate.
Rotate. Trust climb glide.
Pack number 1 is on.
Check.
Departure, good afternoon, Scandinavian 925 Heavy.
Pack number 2 is on.
Check. We have now been flying for 3 hours since the takeoff. We have passed Iceland. The flight is progressing really, really nice. On the displays here, we can see that we are approaching 30 west on 36,000 feet. No problems with this plane. It's a very reliable machine.
My name is Jacob, and I'm the steward on board. On board the long-haul flights flying around the world, we have air hostess and stewards on board, and the air hosts are mainly out in the cabin serving the drinks, where the steward on board have the responsibility for preparing food.
We are approaching Washington, and we pretty much know how we are going to do this arrival. So now it's when it's calm and we have plenty of time, so why not make the briefing for the landing already now? It's a good idea. We have received clearance direct to Bravo Alpha Foxtrot, which is Barnes VVAR. And we start out from that. We have been cleared a Hyper 4 arrival, and this flight plans goes via Bravo Alpha Foxtrot and all the points inbound on the Hyper 4 arrival.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
It was a beautiful flight, no problems at all. We arrived ahead of time. Now it's 6 minutes. We are 6 minutes early. We have parked, and yeah, really happy about this flight. Beautiful.
Hi, welcome back. We're back in the cockpit after a nice layover in Washington, D.C. We've had excellent weather. We had some Mexican food last night, and I had too much sun today. But anyway, we're bound back for Copenhagen in this Airbus A340. Excellent flying conditions, and today I have the pleasure of flying everybody back to Scandinavia and Copenhagen.
And we will have beautiful weather, so I'm hoping for very good pictures of New York. It will be a great flight. Thank you very much.
Let's go!